We don't always get chances like this, times where we can fully focus on ourselves without distractions. So why not embrace it? Think of it as a gift. Use this opportunity to reflect, grow, and discover new aspects of who you are. You will be alone in the most difficult times of your life. These moments will make you wise, mature, and fearless. Most importantly, it'll help you figure out ways toward your dreams. Loneliness doesn't have to be a negative experience. In fact, it can be a powerful tool for growth. Everyone faces loneliness from time to time, but it is how you cope with it that makes the difference. Instead of viewing it as something to fear or avoid, consider it as time for personal development. There is a key mindset shift that can help turn negativity into positivity. By training your mind, you can shift from feeling isolated to feeling empowered. And once you change your mindset, you change your life. Use your alone time to work on what matters to you. Focus on your passions, your goals, and the things you always wanted to do. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Make this time the perfect opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Appreciate what you have and what you see, because times are changing, my friends. Wasted time will not come back. When you're on your own, it is easy to fall into the trap of feeling isolated. But actually, some of the most productive periods of your life can come during moments of solitude. Without the distraction of others, you can focus deeply on your goals and tackle tasks head on. Learn how to be self-sufficient. Take control of your thoughts and emotions. There's a way of thinking that's often referred to as the warrior mindset. A mindset where you face adversity head-on and refuse to let negativity bring you down. The people around you, the situations you face, they only have as much power as you give them. Remember that. Loneliness isn't a feeling, it's a state of mind. If you're struggling with it, try to shift your attention away from negative thoughts. It may not be easy at first, but gradually you'll start to see the beauty in being alone. When you learn to enjoy your own company, you open the door to self-discovery. You'll begin to understand what makes you happy, what triggers your emotions, and what brings you peace. Being alone gives you the opportunity to learn more about yourself and ultimately become your own best friend. And don't forget, we are all capable of whatever we set our minds to. If you want to make a change in your life, don't wait for anyone else to do it for you. Take the leap, have the courage, and make it happen. I'm going to end this video with one of my quotes. Adventure and experience the journey of life by oneself, learning about yourself, what is good for you and bad for you, with struggle and joy, is a bridge to the final destination of becoming your best version.